This tutorial guides you through managing your loading plans within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to search, filter, and navigate your plans effectively. Click Loading Plans to open the section where all your loading plans are listed and managed. Click Plan Name to sort or filter the loading plans by their names for easier navigation. Fill the search field with Tester to filter loading plans related to tester entries. Click the Loading Plans Management area to view, search, and create new loading plans with detailed information such as transport mode and product quantity. Click Tester to select the specific loading plan entry associated with the tester keyword. Click Tester again to confirm your selection and proceed with managing the chosen loading plan. Fill in the plan name field to specify or update the name of your loading plan for identification. Click Search to apply your filters and display loading plans that match your criteria. Click 50 to set the number of loading plans displayed per page, allowing you to view more entries at once.